everyone. I am one of those MNS aspirants who have cleared this MNS 2021 written examination with almost 126 marks, and right now I'm preparing for my interview and medical procedure. Today I'll tell you about my strategies, how I prepared myself for this written examination. For foremost, the subjects I had covered, I'll tell you about them. For English, go for SP Bakshi or KD Campus. Both are quite accurate and precise to the topics. Also, go through several of the exercises you need to do in fill-ups or in grammar portion. You have to try some of the rules so that you can correct them. Now, in terms of science, for physics, go for 12th first and mechanics of 11th. And if you want, then go with other topics, but foremost are these one. In chemistry, I'll suggest you to go through only with the one words because that are enough, not very concepted questions are being asked from it. But in terms of biology, go through 11th and 12th completely. But foremost units are human health, disease, reproductive system, plant morpho and plant physio. They are very important and repeated questions are being asked from these topics. In GK, go through Arihant, that's enough for it, and also practice number of questions for it because only questions are being taken to clear that. No, after clearing the theory, you have to go through the questions to tick mark. Now, also go for current affairs. Current affairs are very important. About 10 questions or 7 to 8 questions are asked in each shift of current affairs. So at least go through monthly current affairs so that you can do those questions also. And they are even scoring too because you have to revise once in a week and you will completely go through with once month current affair. Now 6 month or 8 month as per choice you can do it. Now I'll suggest you do not cram the topics. Just go through with the concept and you'll clear it because cramming the topics will not help you while sitting in the examination to take the right answer to or eliminate the wrong ones. But grabbing the concept would surely help you. And I'll also suggest do not sit for long hours to study because the most important thing in your study hours is your retentivity power, how much you retain after studying. And for that you have to also take a good sleep. Stop overthinking because overthinking just means wasting your time in what is going to happen, how it will happen. Stop doing all this. Believe in yourself because it is the real key. Last year I was also one of you and I was crying badly for not being selected for MNS 2020, but I believed in myself, and this year I'm in for sure for interview and medical examination. And I'll suggest you that after completing the theory and overall, the most thing is that you have to do the revision and you have to practice number of mocks. And for that I'll suggest you to go for MNS zone because I have also prepared from there, and there are number of benefits of getting MNS zone. For first I was very confused, but the cost is very low for any individual to afford of MNS mocks. Number one, you gain confidence after solving the questions that yes, you have gone through the theory, you do exist somewhere in the competition. And also when you saw the number of students who are even giving the mock, you will come to know that how much they are going to be doubled or tripled when you are going to sit in the actual examination. So there also you get a a motivation how to study and all. Now the third one is you know what is your lagging points, how you are lagging, and foremost important thing is time management. Because in today's exam which has been occurred in 2021, numericals were also asked, and for each question you used to get 22 seconds. So if you have command over the time management, you can go through it easily. But if you are lagging in time management or you are not having confidence to solve out the questions, you are just stumbling while seeing the number of left questions and the time running, then definitely you are going to lag behind in the real examination. So go for it, believe in yourself, and I'll suggest to go for mock test maximum. After completing your theory, go for revision, practice mock test because that's the real key to success, I can say. And obviously if I can, then everyone can of you will do this or can do this. So be positive, be punctilious and diligent towards your work, and that's all. Thank you.